How much should you really spend on a steam cleaner for your car? Because here's the thing, cheap ones leave streaks and weak pressure, but the expensive ones, some aren't worth the hype either. After testing 5 popular models, I found that price doesn't always mean performance. Let me show you which ones actually get the job done. Product number 1, BISSELL Little Green Mini. This BISSELL Little Green Mini caught my eye because it's not technically a steam cleaner. It's a portable carpet and upholstery extractor that uses hot water and cleaning solution. At $128, it's mid-range. And honestly, if you want deep stain removal in your car seats or floor mats, this is worth a serious look. It sprays, scrubs, and sucks up dirt using its powerful suction, and the included 4-inch tough stain tool gets into tight crevices between seats. The 8Oz formula tackles pet dander, mud, coffee spills, basically anything that ruins your interior. With over 40,000 sold last month, it's clearly trusted by real users. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Unlike steam cleaners that only loosen grime, this actually pulls embedded dirt out of fabric fibers. That means no damp residue left behind, which is huge if you've ever dealt with mildew smell after cleaning. Now, some people complained about the small water tank. It holds just enough for spot cleaning, so full car detailing means refilling multiple times. Here's the thing though, for targeted messes like spilled soda or dog accidents, that's actually perfect. You're not meant to clean the whole car in one go. This is perfect for you if you deal with frequent small messes and want chemical-based deep cleaning without heavy machinery. Skip this one if you need chemical-free cleaning or plan to sanitize large areas like trunk liners or entire seat rows. For the price, it delivers serious value where it counts. Product number 2, BISSELL Steam Shot Omni. Now, if the Little Green Mini's liquid-based cleaning isn't your style, this BISSELL Steam Shot Omni offers pure steam power at just $70, less than half the price of some competitors. It heats up in 3 minutes, runs for 10 minutes on a full 300 ml tank, and blasts out steam over 215 degrees F. It comes with 7 tools including a grout brush and jet nozzle, which are surprisingly useful for car detailing, think seatbelt tracks or door jams. Over 10,000 sold last month shows it's a favorite for quick touch-ups. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Chemical-free cleaning means no fumes or residue, so it's safe if you've got kids or pets riding around. The 16 FT cord gives decent reach from a single outlet, and it's lightweight enough to use one-handed. Now, some people complained about water leakage if you overfill, and BISSELL even warns to use the included measuring cup. Here's the thing though, once you get the filling routine down, it's not an issue. The real limitation is runtime. 10 minutes sounds like a lot, but on high steam, you'll burn through it fast on a full interior. This is perfect for you if you want affordable, eco-friendly cleaning for light to moderate messes and don't mind recharging mid-job. Skip this one if you need continuous steam for deep cleaning or have large vehicles like SUVs or trucks. Product number 3, BISSELL Little Green 1400B. Alright, that was a solid handheld option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for heavy-duty car cleaning. The BISSELL Little Green 1400B. This is the bigger brother to the Mini, and while it doesn't use steam, it's built for serious upholstery work. It's America's one portable deep cleaner, trusted by over 7 million households, and features a massive 48Oz clean water tank, triple the capacity of the Mini. That means fewer refills when you're tackling muddy floor mats or soaked seat cushions. The triple-action formula lifts, removes, and deodorizes stains in one pass. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If your car sees kids, pets, or off-road adventures, this machine doesn't just clean, it restores. Spray, scrub, and suction happen simultaneously, so you're not just spreading dirt around like with paper towels. Now, some people complained about the weight. At nearly 10 pounds, it's bulkier than handheld steamers. Here's the thing though, that weight comes from durability and larger tanks. It's not meant to be carried around constantly, but for weekend deep cleans, it's unmatched. This is perfect for you if you want professional-level results at home and don't mind a slightly heavier unit. Skip this one if you only need occasional spot cleaning or have limited storage space in your garage. Product number 4, McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe. Now, if the BISSELLs rely on cleaning solutions, this McCulloch MC1385 goes full steam literally. At $266, it's the most expensive on this list, but it's also the most capable. With a 64-ounce tank and 2-hour runtime, you can clean multiple cars without refilling. It includes 23 accessories, including a floor mop, brass brush, and angled nozzle, all designed for both home and car use. Over 4,000 sold shows it's a niche but loyal following. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you detail your own car regularly or help friends and family, this machine pays for itself and saves professional cleaning fees. The 18-foot cord and 7-foot hose give incredible reach, no more crawling under seats or struggling with tight corners. Now, some people complained about the size. It's a canister unit, so it's not exactly compact. Here's the thing though, that's the trade-off for industrial-grade performance. You're not storing this under the sink, but in a garage or closet, it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you want a long-term, multi-use cleaner for cars, home, and outdoor gear. Skip this one if you only clean your car once or twice a year or live in a small apartment with no storage. Product number 5, Waitebird 1500W Multi-Surface Steamer. Finally, this Waitebird 1500W steamer hits a sweet spot between power and versatility at $128, same price as the BISSELL Mini, but with real steam capability. It heats water to over 248 degrees F, has a 38-ounce tank, and comes with 21 attachments, more than any other model here. It's marketed for whole home use, but the car-specific tools make it great for interiors. With 3,000 plus sold and global recognition, it's a solid contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The child lock and heat indicator adds safety if you've got curious kids around, and the wide range of nozzles lets you switch from dashboard dusting to seat crevice cleaning in seconds. The steam is strong but controllable, so you won't damage sensitive electronics. Now, some people complained about the plastic build feeling flimsy compared to metal-bodied units. Here's the thing though, for the price, it's well made enough for regular home use. It won't survive a drop from a ladder, but on your car, it's perfectly durable. This is perfect for you if you want one cleaner for both car and home and value attachment variety. Skip this one if you need maximum pressure for engine cleaning or prefer all-metal construction. So which one wins? For deep stain removal, the BISSELL 1400B is unbeatable. For chemical-free convenience, the Steam Shot Omni is a steal. Need all-day power? The McCulloch MC1385 is in a league of its own. The Waitebird offers the best balance of price and versatility, while the little green Mini is ideal for spot cleaning. Pick based on your mess level, budget, and how often you clean, not just the price tag.